What is going on YouTube? Hacker7 here. In this video, I'll be taking a look at the new graphs which has been added to CapCut version 5.0.0. As you can see here, I'm currently using version 5.0.0 and we'll be taking a look at the new graphs which has been added. Now what graphs does is basically they allow you to add various transitions between keyframes. So they allow you to add motion between keyframes, as I'd like to call it. So we have this still image right here. So how to apply graphs to your timeline or on your clips. So first things first, you need to tap on the clip and you need to add a keyframe at the starting point to where you'd want the motion to be. So I'm going to add the keyframe at the beginning of this clip, and then I'm going to go in about 5 seconds, and then I'm going to add another keyframe. So now how to apply graphs? You would need to move the slider so it is between the keyframes. So as you can see, it is between the keyframes. So you need to scroll all the way over and you need to tap on the clip, scroll all the way over to graphs. Now as you can see, we have we have the default graphs which has been in CapCut for some time now. However, we have some multiple graphs here. If you should simply apply graphs to this timeline, nothing would happen. So I'm going to apply a graph and I'm going to show you something. So this is the bounce one. So as you can see, if we should play this clip, nothing is happening because this is a still image and no motion is taking place between the various keyframes. So let me undo that graph. So what you need to do is to set a motion for the second keyframe. So for this keyframe, we're going to simply zoom in a bit and then we're going to apply the graph. Well, the graph has been applied still, so if I should play it, now as you can see, the motion has been applied and you could simply tap back on the timeline, click on graphs, and you could change the graph to any one of these. So this is pretty cool. You could add various graphs between timelines without having to do custom settings, because prior to this update you'd have to manually input the points on the timeline which you'd want to apply the effects or the motion rather. So I hope this little tutorial was informative and it was able to assist you into understanding what graphs is or how to use graphs in CapCut. So thank you guys for watching. Please do subscribe if you enjoy my content. Hacker7 out.